What's going on, guys? Time for an update on the Bennett house. We got drywall that's gone up and is almost finished. There's a little bit more sanding that needs to be done, but let's go take a look and see the progress. So now with the drywall up, it actually starts to look like a house. So it's pretty sweet. Finally getting it all sectioned off to actually look like something. We've got our nice pantry under the stairs. As we go up, and our two bedrooms, which look awesome. Looks so good. It's amazing the difference drywall makes in actually making it look like a house. It really changes the dynamic of the look over it just being studs. You're really able to actually picture it like you're gonna be living in it at this point with the drywall up and see what it actually feels like. You know, otherwise with the studs, it just seems so different. But now with the drywall up, you can picture yourself living in it and actually using the space. So it's really cool. So it looks awesome. So almost done with the drywall. Looks like we got maybe one more coat of mud and one more sanding to do, but we're almost there and we'll be able to start priming and painting.